In this BDRsuite demo, I'll guide you through configuring backups for your Google Workspace, shared drive, and restoring your data when needed. BDRsuite offers a complete backup solution for your Google Workspace shared drives. Backup entire drives or select specific ones, exclude folders with simple filters, restore to any mailbox, download individual files, and much more. To get started, visit the BDRsuite website and click Start Free Trial. Download and install BDRsuite on Windows or Linux machines, or run it as a Docker container. For a step-by-step video on installing the BDRsuite backup server, check the link in the description box. Be sure to fill out the form provided for technical assistance. Once the installation is complete, open the backup server's web-based console in your browser, enter your username and password, and click Sign In. You can now experience BDRsuite's full-featured 30-day free trial in your environment. As a first step, configure the backup repository to store your backup data. You can do this from the Infrastructure Backup Repository menu. You can use either on-premise or remote storage options such as DAS, NAS, or SAN. Alternatively, you can use your own public cloud storage, including Amazon S3, Azure Blob, Google Cloud, and S3-compatible services like Wasabi, MinIO, and Backblaze. Now, let's add the Google Workspace Organization as data source for backup. Navigate to the SaaS Applications tab, Data Sources menu, and click Google Workspace Organization. Click to add New Google Workspace Organization. To add your Google Workspace Organization to the BDRsuite backup server, you'll need the admin email, client email, and private key. You can generate these details by creating a new project with the required APIs enabled and setting up a service account. For a step-by-step video to add Google Workspace Organization, click the link in the description box. Once you complete the steps to add your Google Workspace Organization, it will be successfully listed as a data source for backup. You can now configure backups for your Google Workspace Organization. Navigate to the Backup, Configure Backup, Google Workspace menu. You'll see backup options for user mailbox and shared drive. Check the link in the description for a how-to video on user mailbox backup. In this demo, I'll walk you through shared drive backup and recovery. Now, specify a name for the backup, select the backup repository, and click Next to proceed. Select the Google Workspace Organization for backup. You can select all the shared drives, or choose specific ones by typing their names into the search box. In this video, I've configured a backup for a specific shared drive. You can exclude certain shared drive folders and filter specific files to include or exclude from the backup. BDRsuite offers flexible backup scheduling options. Select the backup frequency for incremental backups. For this demo, I've configured daily backups to run at 9 p.m. The initial backup is full. From then on, it's forever incremental. I've also chosen the default values for the advanced backup settings. By default, compression is enabled, which helps you save storage space. Click Next to proceed. Retention for shared drives is disabled by default, so all restore points will be retained. Click Next to proceed. Finally, review your backup job configuration. If you want to run the backup job immediately after configuration, you can check the box and click Save. Once again, click Save on the confirmation dialog, then you will be redirected to List of Jobs page. Here, click on the In Progress icon and view the status of the backup progress. Once the backup is completed, you can edit, check status, view reports, and manage your backup jobs from here. Click the Report icon to view the backup job level report. Next, let's look at how to recover shared drives items from backup. Navigate to the Recovery menu and click Restore Backup Data. Click on Restore to initiate the restore process. Now, choose Restore Shared Drive to recover emails, calendar events, contacts, and Google Drive items individually. Select the time range to view the available restore points. I've chosen Recent Success, which displays the restore point of the latest successful backup. Select the restore point you want to restore. Once done, click Next to proceed. Next, choose a shared drive to restore. From the list of shared drives you backed up, you can either restore them as a folder or select specific files to restore. You can download files directly by clicking the Download button. If you select multiple files, they'll be downloaded as a zip file. Additionally, you can choose to restore them to the same or a different shared drive. In this video, I've chosen to restore the specific files to same shared drive. Review all the recovery configurations, and then click Restore to proceed. Click OK Proceed to start the restore process. You will be redirected to the Restore Backup Data page. You can click on the progress icon to check the status and view the restore progress. Once the restoration is completed, click on the report icon to check the restore report. You can navigate to the target mailbox to find the restored emails. Now, it's your time to try it out. Visit our website to start your 30-day free trial. And if you need any assistance, contact BDRsuite support. Thanks for watching.